In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go live on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started right away because this is super easy and you can already go live in just a couple seconds. So yeah, all you want to do is go to the sort of home page or home feed, and once you're here, you want to swipe to the right to open up the story like camera. And here you can upload to Reels your story, and as you can see, you can go live. Now here you can give it a title. You can also add a fundraiser, as you can see right there. You can already start with different filters before going live, and you can click on this settings icon right there, and you can, this is for your story, as I can see. But basically, all you have to do is just click on the live icon or button right there. It says now checking connection. And it says you're now live. And yeah, that's how you can go live. You can do all kinds of stuff with it and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just very quick to show you guys how you can go live. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.